share whatever you felt. If you can just switch on your cam and just share it.
Yeah, the sessions are really very good,
You
and
can
they
just
helped us.
switch on your cam. You can just switch on your cam and
Yeah, the cam is not
acha,
actually I thought,
acha,
but
acha.
that's why I have to
Yeah.
reach out,
So you
and
can
I was
just,
and actually in office.
okay, you can just share whatever you want, whatever you
Yeah,
felt about the course.
the
Yeah.
sessions are really very good. They helps us in a very positive manner,
Thank
and
you.
your presentation is really very nice. And your dedication, even after sessions, you are always connected with us. That
Mhm.
is really very good. I really appreciate that thing.
Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much. Thank you so much. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Anything else would you like to share? Anything, any experience or anything which you felt? What were the takeaways for you in the from this session? Like, what did you like
Uh,
best?
for me, it's means rather going through some hectic exercises and all, we
Uh-huh.
can heal, but that process also takes times, the coolness in the mind, and
Uh-huh.
sometimes means what we are going through the phases, we are not thinking about that one earlier.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
uh, we have to be acquainted with that one first,
Mhm.
let it comes in, and then we can get extraordinary benefits, I thought.
Mhm. Mhm.
Because
Mhm.
in short sessions, short your I can feel, yes, it is working,
Uh-huh.
but full benefits can be taken just by involving ourselves into
Uh-huh.
that thing,
Mhm.
that I
Mhm.
can't do in
Yeah.
these 5 days, in
Yeah.
this
So,
last
so
week.
for that only I shared this 1 month thing. When you will do it, you will become a master of it. Okay. And we will just take weekly sessions, one session. I understand your schedules. And what you can do is also you can go through a lot of knowledge sessions, small sessions. Like in a day, I will just share on WhatsApp. So you don't need to spend time on that. You will just get small knowledge sessions from me. And knowledge I will share on WhatsApp. You can get everything without spending any knowledge. And on Sunday, we will take a group session and one-on-one session if you have any doubts. And then you see, you will learn everything in 1 month and you will master that. What you are saying, exactly what you share. So that is how we go about it. Exactly. That is the reason, as you told, that it is not easy to straight away master it. It requires some time and hand holding and some community
Yeah,
to
yeah,
be.
community.
Yeah, yeah. So that is what it's all about. And you can use your time because we will give you everything in small time. Whatever you, if you could not do, I will just give you a just in a video on WhatsApp, and you can read it, go through it anytime whenever you want.
Yeah.
So it's all, I
Mm.
guarantee you the best of health, and I guarantee you the best of life also after that, if you go through that, for sure, like you saw in the videos.
Yeah, I feel it's really very good, but
Mm.
due to the
Mhm.
schedules and all,
Yeah.
I missed some classes, but thanks to your recording,
Haha.
and
Yeah.
really means I wanted to
Otherwise,
join.
yeah, cost wise, do you find it is all right, or you want something, you feel that it is
Presently, I am not thinking more about the cost. I am
okay? So
thinking
that
just
is all
that
right.
how could
Yeah, yeah.
spend my time, because last 1 week, when I joined on Sunday
Hmm.
last week, Sunday or Saturday, I thought at that
Hmm.
time I thought, yeah, this is a free week for me, and I
Hmm.
can learn something.
Hmm.
But after 2 days, on Wednesday onward, I got to know that, and you know that all, that I
Hmm.
can't join it on real time.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
I can't ask real time questions and all.
Hmm.
But
Okay.
I got to know one thing that is really helpful. It's
Hmm.
really positive. It give positive impacts on my
Hmm.
health and
Hmm.
all. And
Okay.
maybe further, if I dedicate myself, I definitely get something more than
Hmm.
that. That I
Hmm.
got to know.
Okay.
And for dedication, I think till March, I'm not having much time.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, but I'm having your number, and I will definitely revert back to you.
Hmm. So you mean to say cost is all right? It's only your dedication, your time commitment, which is
Uh,
the thing.
Time commitment is
Yeah,
means
the only
that is
thing.
the
Okay.
problem, because if we
Okay.
can't make use of it,
Huh.
then that is also not good
Okay.
for
Okay.
you. Also,
So
that
okay.
why?
So the cost is absolutely fine. Okay.
Cost is okay.
Yeah. Okay. I think that is the best I can do. Or you, yeah, that is all right. Whatever I've shared is genuine enough for like
Yeah,
Miss
cost
Lakshmi.
is not a factor.
Okay.
What I
So
can
that is all
see in
right.
this
That is
group.
low according to you. That is all right. That is all right. Okay.
That
Okay.
is
That is,
okay.
thank
That
you.
is
Thank you
okay.
so much. I think it rarely somebody asks a client and records that about his cost, because generally people have that cost issues. It means that you really find the value, and it's only about the time. So maybe you can come back in whenever you are free. Okay.
Yeah, maybe next financial year and all.
Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Absolutely great. Thank you for the sharing. And it was so nice to have you in the 5 days. And thank you so much for giving me an opportunity. Okay.
Yes, thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. So